Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today is all about Squishables. Yay! If you don't know what a Squishable is, it's basically a pillow, but they take it to a whole nother level. Okay, people, a whole nother level. They've got comfort food pillows, they've got animals, they have food. I mean, you name it, they have it. They come in minis, they come, I think it's micro. Let me check just to be sure because I want to make sure that I'm giving the correct information. They come in minis, micros, and massives. So yes, Squishable pillows are the way to go. So I have a few here that we have collected over just this past holiday season, and some new ones that my brother just ordered. So let's get right into the Squishable haul, shall we? So the ones that I have that I'm going to show you first, we got these for Christmas because we wanted to kind of add to our Christmas decor in the house. So all the ones that I'm showing you are from the comfort food line. So the first one up is, drum roll please, I hope this is in frame because it's a big one and I hope it's in focus. This is the S'mores Squishable. Isn't it cute? It looks just like a s'mores. So on the bottom you've kind of got like your cookie or your gingerbread part. In the middle you've got your marshmallow, you've got your chocolate there, and on top you have the rest of your cookie or gingerbread cracker, whatever you would like to call. Isn't he so cute? I call this one a boy. They have the two little hearts here, and it says here on the tag, Squishables. It has, I am a Squishable, and you can show off what you've got on Facebook and vote for new stuff. So yeah, the great thing about them is you can vote for new, Squishable pillows that you would like to see. If you like anime, vote for anime. If you like comfort foods, vote for comfort foods. Whatever your interests are, vote for them, and they will possibly add them to the Squishable collection. So again, this is the medium-sized s'mores. So cute, right? You can order Squishables, I forgot to mention, off of the actual Squishables website. We, however, got ours off of Amazon. So next up, we got, drum roll again, a Macaroon. Isn't she beautiful? This one I definitely call a girl because she's got the eyelashes. So cute. So that's what she looks like. She's filled with her cream, purple and white cream in the inside. On the back, it's just plain. On the bottom, it's just the same. And it's got the two little, I like to think of these as like her little headband, but that's a decorative icing, I think, that's on the Macaroon. But isn't that just the cutest thing? Again, this is the medium-sized one. They have some even larger than this. So here she is, the cute little Macaroon. And I don't know if each one says a different thing. No, it says the same thing. Comfort food, Squishable. And then last, from our first order, we got the chocolate chip cookie. Oh, it's so cute. I call this one a boy too. I don't know why. This one could be a girl or a boy, but I just think of it more of a boy. So cute. It looks just like a chocolate chip, right? Just like it. You've got your little chocolate chips here in different sizes. Little cute face. That's what the bottom looks like. And the back is actually just plain. Too cute. These are awesome just to have around your house, just as decor. They make great conversational pieces. I mean, when people came over, they were asking us, what is that? Is it a pillow? Oh my God. They were so interested. So it's great for conversational pieces. Now let's get into the new ones we ordered. So I'm going to start with the minis. So we got two minis and they're the same. They are little loaves of bread. And can I tell you, these are the cutest things ever. They're so packaged. Sorry. Ah! All right, let me see if I can hold them both up at the same time. Ah! butter. So 2 little mini loaves of bread. The front look like this with little faces as always. I love the faces. Let me see if I can pull this one back so you can kind of see its mouth. Has a little mouth there with the little rosy pink cheeks. And on the back, it's the same as the front without the face. The bottom just has, you know, it looks like bread. That's exactly what they look like. Bread. Super, super cute. So this gives you an idea of what the minis look like. And next up from our new order, I have something that is just so darn cute. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Drum roll again. Ah! It's a pancake squishable with butter and syrup. It's the cutest thing ever. I'm getting so excited. I'm talking in a little kid voice. Oh my god. Just too cute. Oh my goodness, I have to step back because it's not in the frame. So you've got your butter here. It's dripping with syrup. We want to eat this pancake, and I like it because these kind of have like the syrup kind of are like little hooks almost. It's too cute. There is the side of the pancake. You can see that syrup just dripping down off of there. There's the bottom. Again, here is the front, and there is the top. This is just the cutest thing ever, and I love how they added the butter. I call this one a boy too. I know, even though it has pink cheeks, I think of it as a boy. So cute, right? Love it. So if you love pancakes, definitely check out the pancake with butter and syrup squishable. And this is in the, what is it? Medium size? I know they have a massive, but I think there's one that's actually bigger than this one. So, and they are super, super soft. And I also forgot to mention, don't wash them, don't dry them, you spot clean them only. I mean, super, super soft. The material is just, it feels like fleece. That's what it actually feels like a fleece blanket. So cute! Alrighty. And last, but certainly not least, we've got another cutie coming up. And this is Mr. French Toast. With butter again. So cute. Oh my goodness. This one I call a boy too. I call it a boy. Yep. No eyelashes there. No eyelashes for us. So it's a boy. So this is what the sides look like your French toast. There's the front with the butter. He's saying hello. Eat me. No. Here's the top. And there's the bottom. So this is just a basic French toast squishable. Super, super, super cute. Again, like I said, it is so soft. You actually really want to just lay on these. Even though I hate to do it because I'm like, am I going to ruin them? Am I going to ruin them? But they're great pillows. Great pillows. And it's almost like they're filled with like a memory foam type filling, so they're extremely comfortable to use as an actual pillow. Not only are they cute for decorative purposes, but they're also great just as a pillow. So if you have kids who just love to snuggle, this is a great gift idea. And if you're the type of person that wants to just use it for decorative purposes, it's also great as well too. Yes, so that was our last one. I do not know the price range of these. That I am not familiar with. Let me just check really quick for you guys. So on the regular site, a size such as this one, this is not the massive one, this is below the massive, that would range in about $42. That's what I was getting from the site. So they are kind of on the pricey side on the actual site. On Amazon, I am not sure how much they are because my brother actually ordered these, but I think they might run just a tad bit cheaper. Don't quote me on that because I don't know, but I think they do. So they are quite pricey, but it's worth it. They are very well structured. Like I said, the sewing is phenomenal. It's just like a pillow. It has great filler. It almost reminds me, like I said, of a memory foam type filling. So it's actually very, what is it? ergonomically effective, especially for the neck and the head. So it definitely gives you that great pillow structure, as well as a very cute little creative pillow. So yeah, I definitely think that they are worth the $42 price tag. I do. I mean, like I said, the sewing, the work on them, the faces, the detail that they took into, you know, eyelashes and everything else, definitely worth it. And they're very durable. Like I said, unless you throw them in the washing machine or just cut them up or completely ruin them, they will last you a really long time. So I love them. They're fantastic. We use them as pillows. We use them for decorative purposes. We use them for both. They are fantastic. And another thing that I want to mention is the ones that we have used, like for pillows, when we're just sitting down on the couch and relaxing, they haven't gone flat. Like I said, the stuffing that's in the inside really reminds me more of like a memory foam stuffing, although it's really soft as well. And I have noticed that they don't go flat as a pancake. Now, we've only had ours for a couple of months now, so I'm not sure how long that will last, but so far they're phenomenal. So yes, we are definitely Squishable fans here, and I highly recommend them. They are so cute and very comfortable as pillows. They serve a purpose as a pillow as well, so just don't think of these as decorative. They are definitely pillows, so you can use them as pillows. So yeah, I just thought I would share that. We had them decorated all over the house for the holidays, and my vlogs that I did over the holidays, people saw them and wondered where we got them from and what they were. So yeah, this is it. Squishable time. So I'll show the French toast one more time, because he is just too cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go pick up your Squishable today. Let me know what your favorite Squishable is. Is it comfort food? Is it an animal? What is it? Let me know in the comments down below, or let me know which Squishable was your favorite that I showed you today. And if this is your first time here on my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube channel. We have fun on here. I try to do creative hauls, so yes, love to have you. And until next time, I hope everybody has a wonderful Friday, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, you guys. Bye-bye.